What we see time and time again at Rainmaker from leaders is business decisions made in complete darkness. You get leaders praying that the so-called innovation lab they set up last year doesn't go and make another chocolate fireguard all over again. It's that classic case of brilliant tech making zero money because you're forcing square-pegged people into round holes. Einstein famously said,
"If you judge a fish by its ability to climb up a tree, it'll live its life thinking it's an idiot."
So in business, if you're asking a fish to climb a tree, that's on you, not them. And it's why we use what's called Wardley Mapping. And it's essentially the GPS for your strategy. And at Rainmaker, we've learned to use them a little differently. You see, it's also good to overlay people on top of your tech. A simple example of this would be the standardization of electricity. So it's the 1800s, and it's what we'd call the pioneer phase. Ben Franklin is flying kites into thunderstorms. It's experimental, but let's be honest, it's bloody dangerous. So it's the late 19th century, and it's the settlers. Edison and Westinghouse turned electricity into a product. It was expensive and it broke, but guess what? It caught on. Today it's the town planners at the helm. You flip a switch and hey presto, it just works. It's now a commodity.
Presenting
Effective.
the clapper. Lets your appliances turn on and off just
Now
by
just
clapping.
imagine a pioneer was in charge of the national grid. Let's just say he's not worried about your electric bill, is he? So the next time you're thinking of replacing people, maybe it's just their positioning. It's one move that could change everything.